Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. Sorry about the lighting, if it has changed, really don't know if it hasn't, but one of my lights have broke, so I have only got one. I'm hoping my brother can fix it, but time will tell. So, day 28 of Halloween sold. Did I already say that? Ain't got a clue. Day 24, I posted a giveaway, not just one, but two giveaways, two different types. Go back to day 24 if you haven't already. I explain it there, and I will explain it down below as well. So, good luck to you all, and I hope you all enter. Now, onto the video. I was watching Nikki Tutorial's channel the other day, and she was doing 7 days of Halloween makeup themed looks. She was calling it Halloween. Now, one of the videos, she brought her mum back for a video. I love seeing her mum on her videos. And she turned her mum into Morticia Adams from the Addams Family. And I'm like, this is a fun video, I want to do it. No, my mum is not here, so I am going to turn myself into Morticia Adams. This is only a fun video. I am not going to take this seriously. Well, I'm going to try and take it seriously, but I am not expecting to look like Morticia Adams' twin sister by the end of this video. Because one, I'm 10 sizes bigger than her. Two, I have got a beard. Three, I'm a man. And four, you know the rest. So I'm going to shut up and get into the video. First, don't really know how I'm going to do this. I want pale skin, but I don't want white skin. Even though, does she have white skin? I don't know. I haven't really researched this video much. I just wanted to film it, so I'm filming it. So I'm going to have like really pale skin to white skin. So I've got the palest foundation I have got, which is a Primark foundation, but I've also picked up this from Primark as well. It is white. It says Ghost Foundation. I'm hoping it's a powder. It doesn't actually say, so I'm going to give it a touchy uppy. Oh, it's kind of like, I don't know what it is. It feels better than that Poundland stuff I got too, anyway. It's a cream. It's kind of like a powdered cream. Shall I go in with this first? Right, I'm going to go in with... No, have I got anything to stick it to? Well, actually, I'm tapping it on my skin and it seems to be working. So I'm going to attempt this first. So, go in with my blender. Yes, so I'm going to go in with my sponge. Smells questionable. Is that working? Shall I try to mix it in with a bit of foundation? Would that work? I am liking that. So what I'm going to do, what I am going to do is go in with the Primark Ghost Foundation first, and then maybe do a layer of the normal foundation, see how it looks, and then put powder on top. So I made it a bit more dewy, but it's natural dewy, not just like greasy. Not like that other Poundland one I tried out. So now I'm going to get some powder. This one is a Model's Own. I picked this up from Beauty Outlet. I think it was like 99p or 1.99. Can't talk. It literally is a translucent powder. So I'm liking that. It's not too white and it's not too pale. Well, it is pale, but I am liking it. It kind of looks like a white foundation, if that makes sense. So, I'm done with powder. What am I going to do next? I am going to start with the eyes. Now with the eyes, I bought this matte eyeshadow palette from the Body Care Shop. Is it the Body Care Shop? Yes, it's the Body Care Shop. For £1.79. And it's got one of those, which I'm just going to get rid of. This is a Morticia palette, if I was ever to see one. So I'm gonna swatch 3 of these shades. Ooh, check those out. Hello Pigment, she is there. They are good. There's no shimmers, but I have got another thing for shimmer. She doesn't wear a lot of makeup. It's mainly white and black and grey. So I am going to take my first brush, go in with the white first to set anything around the eye. So white is set, and can't you just see that colour popping? It is such a good colour to pop. Yes, it is going on quite nicely actually. I know you can't see it, but when like I'm up close, I can. So now I am going to take the same brush. No, I'm not. I am going to take. Actually, yes, I'm going to take the same brush and go in with the next shade, which is like a really light grey. And then I'm just going to go over the top. So I've added a bit of shadow to that. I know I'm liking it. Then I am going to take the third shade along, which is a even darker but lighter grey. But I am going to switch brushes now. I'm only going to start. I'm only going to take it to the middle of the brow bone and then outwards. So you can definitely see a shape forming now. Then, yes, you've guessed it, I'm going to take the fourth grey, which is this one. We are getting darker now. I've tried to like make it more dramatic going up and more sharper. So I just want to say I had to stop it there because I lost track on what I was doing. It was more dramatic than I wanted, and then I tried to correct it, and then everything just went wrong. So I had to take it all off, and I've reapplied it. But I haven't used any foundation, just this Ghost foundation with a Rimmel Stay Matte press powder. So I'm hoping that second time round I have a better attempt. So I am going to take the white like I did last time. And then instead of trying to build it up, I am going to go straight into the middle grey colour. Which I feel like it's working better than it did the first time. So then I'm going to take a fluffy brush. So I'm going to take that one. How is it that a woman who only has literally one colour on her eyes is becoming so hard for me to do? I am actually struggling with this look. Why? I'm going to take a tiny bit of black. Okay, I'm going to stop it there, especially with hair. So I'm just going to take the middle grey and then just run it underneath this side. So I'm going to stop it there with this one. That was so hard for somebody who has like one colour on eye. Then I've got this quad from Makeup Gallery. You've seen this in a previous video. I'm going to take this shimmer colour on the same brush and just go over the lid there. It's adding white but also a little bit of shimmer. So I've added it to the inner corners as well. Not that much of it because it's Morticia Adams we're talking about, but just to add a little of glam. I'm not 100% happy, but I've had enough. I've spent way too long on this. this will probably be only a 10-minute video, but I've been here an hour. Mascara. I've got the Makeup Gallery mascara in Ultra Black. I'm just going to go ahead and do the lash. And I swear to God, if I get black like mascara on my lid, I am not going to be one happy person. Right, a little bit of mascara applied. I'm going to go in with the brows next. I'm going to use the black in this because she has black eyebrows. So I'm going to just colour my brows in black. So brows are done. They're not the best. They are very much the worst. But I am losing my patience with this video and I just want to end it already. What am I kidding about? I am enjoying it. It's just frustrating when I can't get it to how I want it to. I'm no expert at makeup. This is just me learning, playing around with makeup myself. So lips. No, I'm not. I'm going to go in with blusher. So the only pan big enough I've got is the James Charles one. So I'm going to go in with a black, not blusher, bronzer. So I'm just going to add a bit of shade in there. But just a tiny, tiny bit. So I've added a bit of black to it to add a bit of cheekbones. Now I'm going to go in with the lips, which is a red super matte lipstick from Primark. She just has plain red lips, and it's the only colour basically on her face apart from black and white. She doesn't really have big lips either, so I've kind of not done my lips as big as I normally would. So, do I like it? No. Will it do? It's going to have to be. But the last thing is a wig. So, give me 2 seconds, I'll be back with a wig. Wig time. Wow, what do you think? It's definitely as straight as her hair. I mean, like, I'm pretty sure the wig is the only thing that actually looks like her. But yes, oops. Can't be seeing my yellow hair, too much colour for her. I love wigs. Got it from Poundland, can you tell? So, this is my video of turning myself into Morticia Adams. Do I look like her? What is that meme? I feel like saying that's a meme. I feel a spree coming on. Whether it's killing or shopping is too soon to tell. Now I just look like that Grinch girl. So yes, this was day 28 of Halloween, so sorry to be being a bit of a mess. At the end of the video, I have enjoyed myself. There were so many problems along the way, but yes, that's one of my YouTube videos for you. So yes, thank you for watching to the end. I muchly appreciate it, especially with this video. It has been all over the place, so I feel like I breathed in hair. So I will catch you all in tomorrow's video, day 29. So it's goodbye from me, Morticia. It's a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.